Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the void pointers. So the other name of the void pointers is also a general pointer or a generic pointer. It's used to store the addresses, and it can store the addresses of any data type. It cannot be used to directly dereferencing the address. Any data type means if we want to store the address of an integer variable, then the pointer variable should also be an integer. But the void pointers can be used to hold any kind of data type address. So the syntax of the void pointer is this, and we will understand the void pointer concept through our program. So now I have created integer variable a and the value is 3, and character variable b which has the value b, and then I assign the address of a in this integer pointer, and then I want to print, then it will give me the right output 3. Okay, but when I store the address of b in this integer type pointer variable, then it will give me error because I cannot store the address of a character variable in this integer pointer. So what is the solution of this problem? So we can actually create a void pointer which can use to hold the address of any data type. So no error here. And if I also store the address of a, it will give me no error. But it cannot be used directly to print the value like this. If I print like this, it will give me the error because the pointer has no data type, so it cannot give me the value. So if I want to dereference the address and want the value to be printed here, then I have to typecast it. How can I typecast it? Just give the data type. So what I have done, I actually give this pointer a data type which it is the referencing to, and then I dereference the address. So now look the output. Okay, so I get the output 3, and if I want to print b, then I can give the type char. This is the syntax for typecasting the void pointer, and I can also get the value b from this single pointer. So this is the use of a void pointer. It can hold actually any address of any data type. So that's it for this video.